Hey, welcome to Clee's Backyard Woodworking. I'm David, and in today's video I'm going to do a mobile cart for my table saw. I need something a little bit waist level and easier to move around. So I'm going to use some scrap woods and 2x4s and plywoods and measure up some stuff and come out with my own shop cart for my table saw. Alright guys, so I did some measurements. This table saw from the tabletop to the legs is about 13 inches, and to my waist is about 36 from the floor. So about 36. It's about good where I want it, like the total, like the table saw. So that way I have a nice, easy cutting length. I'm going to make the stand 23 inches tall, and I have these caster wheels, 2-inch wheels, and they measure 3 inches. I have some 5/8 plywood, and I have this 3/4 plywood I'm going to use for the top. So I'll need 18 and 5/8 for the supports. I'll need 4 of those, so I'm going to use the 2x4 and cut those up right now. And then I'll measure how wide I need it. Probably do about 20, or 24, 22, something around there. So let's cut that on the miter saw. Alright, so now I'm going to need 21 inches wide. I'm going to need 4 of those. Alrighty, so I got a new charged up battery. So I'm going to put 2 pocket holes on each side. Put it over. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to the other 3 pieces and be right back. Alright, so I got this set up. So I'm going to attach these stretchers with the pocket holes. And use these 2.5-inch screws, pocket hole screws. Alright, got the square corners. Alright, got one in. Let's do the other side. Alright, so I'm going to go do the other side, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got both of those side things on. Now I need the cross supports, and I want the top to be 24 by 22. Alright, 22. So I need the supports to be 19. Alright, so I need to cut out 4 19 2x4s. Alright, so I flipped it over to the side. Here's the pieces I just cut, the 19 inches. So I'm going to pre-drill 2 holes on each side and then screw in some of these Craig screws. No pocket holes on these ones. Let's make sure it's squared. Right. Everything's screwed on. Now I'm just going to do a quick sanding, kind of level off the top, and then I'll start putting on the top and bottom, and then the wheels. I'll just show a little bit of sanding and then I'll finish the rest off camera. And I'm using 100 grit sandpaper. Alright, so let me center up the top piece here. I got a 24 by 24 3/4 inch plywood. So the sides are going to be even. Then the front and the back will have a little hangover. Let me just measure all that out. Kind of wanted to do 1 inch on each side. Alright, so I got the wheels all screwed in. Let's flip it over, see how sturdy this is. Let's give it a little test. I'll jump on it, move it around. So let me get the table saw on top. So with the floor being tiled and slanted down, I might have some unevenness sometimes. So I can always just wedge something underneath to even it out. Check this all out, screw it in, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I got these Craig screws. I'm just gonna screw those in. I got everything leveled up. That's pretty good. So, and marked it where I want it. Got the back. I got these all tighten up. And screw these ones in. And then it should be all done. So let me get that. It's not too much wobble. Depends on where it is on the floor. So let me screw these in. Alright, so here's the table saw mobile cart. Hope you liked the video. It was pretty easy to make. There's some 2x4s, some plywood, some caster wheels. You can see how it moves around, even with the tile floor. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. And until next time, I'll catch you later.